Why in the heck did crypto just dump $60 billion? That happened late last night, and we're trading sideways right now, but Bitcoin right now trending downwards as we get closer and closer to that big Fed meeting. Does that have something to do with this? We're at 22,400 right now on Bitcoin. We're going to dive into some of the specifics here, talk about what's going on. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Appreciate you guys for stopping back. It is Friday. Happy Friday to everybody out there as well. And let's dive in here, break some things down, talk about these markets, and talk about some opportunities out there as prices continue to dip. And here we go. We got a couple winners right now, a couple green cryptos right now in the last 24 hours, but mostly red. Terra Luna Classic down 11, 12% right now. We've got, Stacks down 7%. Singularity Net, good opportunity opening up here, opening a good entry point maybe for AGIX. DYDX as well, down 11% right now. Conflux down 9%. So a lot of cryptos down about 5-6%. But why? What's going on? Why have the crypto markets dumped $60 billion, leaving the sector in just the past hour or so? That was late last night. So total market cap has shrunk by more than $60 billion in the past hour last night. As a result, figure has fallen to $1.06 trillion at the time of the writing for CoinGecko. Same thing over here on CoinMarketCap, very similar, $1.03 trillion right now. The cause of the big Friday dump is unclear at the moment. However, there's been a lot of negative news regarding crypto bank Silvergate this week. Bloomberg alluded to Silvergate fallout in its reporting on crypto markets today. The U.S. crypto bank raised questions about whether it can stay in business on March 2nd. Additionally, its shares plunged to a record low as key partners severed ties to Silvergate. So I think some of the whales are panicking. Some of the whales are stabling up, and that is why you're seeing some of the price dips. Crypto markets have now returned to mid-February lows, which served as support at current levels. However, they remain within the range-bound channel that has been consolidating above $1 trillion for the past 6 weeks. So we'll see if we can hold this line, right? Bitcoin lost about 5% in the past hour. That was, again, late last night, dumping around $1,200. It's settled in there. It has settled in there about 22.25. It is up there a little bit off of that right now, 22.4 at the time of this recording, 22.4 right there. We'll see if we can rekindle some of those losses here. Crypto critic Mr. Whale blamed a whale for selling and causing the slump. BTC prices are currently back at mid-February levels, but a 5% move is nothing for crypto, really, right? Volatility is everywhere. And we knew volatility would come back because it's been boring. It's been quiet. We got volatility to the downside here off this Silvergate news. So that is what's going on in the cryptocurrency market. Happy to bring you up to speed as always. Make sure you guys are locked in, subscribing to this channel. Hit that like button for us down below. Appreciate you guys as always. Have a fantastic Friday and an even better weekend. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.